Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So, Xiaomi has in the market floatable Xiaomi Mi Max has appeared in a leaked hands-on photos. A floatable prototype with a Xiaomi user interface leaked in a spy shoot early this year, and now we have more photos revealing the backside of the device. Apparently, it will be a part of the Mi Max lineup and will adopt the internal fold just like the Galaxy Fold series and the Huawei Mate X2. The images reveal that the mode of the phone there is a no screen on these phones. There is also a triple camera setup on the backside as you can see on these images, but it is just a placeholder. So the final design might change. What won't change is the horizontal element of the shooters. We are really surprised to see the Max logo back in the wild because the last phone from that family that ever made it to the store shelf was the Mi Max 3 over 2 years ago. This series is usually reserved for phones that are one step ahead of the conventional design, but there is a good chance that these images are a product of someone's hopes and dreams and do not set anything in stones. Even though Xiaomi is indeed working on a floatable device, but let's see in upcoming days. Make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.